Dhani Waterfall, also called Dhani Noseri Waterfall, is the famous and highest waterfall in Neelum Valley. The water of Dhani Waterfall is very crystal clear and clean. The distance of Dhani Waterfall from Islamabad is 240 kilometers. There is no better place to find peace by simply sitting at Dhani or Dhani Noseri Waterfall and enjoy the scenic beauty. The best time to visit this beautiful Dhani Waterfall is March to June. Thousands of tourists every year visit Neelum Valley and explore the beauty of this valley. The falling water of the waterfall creates a cool murk on the ground foot of the waterfall, presenting a refreshing feel to the tourist.